Did you know that avocados are classified as a fruit, yet they're one of the fattiest foods you can eat? Despite being full of fats, they've been called a superfood by nutritionists worldwide. But why were they once considered a forbidden food? Stay tuned to discover the surprising truth about this creamy green powerhouse and why it's essential for your healthy lifestyle. Over the last decade, avocados have gone from being a niche ingredient to a household staple. Whether mashed into guacamole, blended into smoothies, or spread on toast, avocados are everywhere. But how did they earn their spot as the go-to health food for millions of people? And more importantly, are they really as good for you as everyone says? Today, we'll uncover the science behind avocados, explore their journey from ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, and reveal why they should be a part of your daily diet. Avocados come with their fair share of misconceptions. Many people believe that their high fat content makes them unhealthy or unsuitable for weight-conscious individuals. Others worry about the calories packed into a single avocado and assume they might do more harm than good. There's also confusion about how to incorporate avocados into a balanced diet. Should they replace other fats like olive oil? Should you eat them every day? And what about the environmental concerns tied to avocado farming? These questions have left many people unsure of whether avocados are the health food they're made out to be. Let's take a closer look at what makes avocados so unique. Scientifically known as Persea americana, the avocado tree originates from Central and South America. The fruit was prized by ancient civilizations like the Aztecs, who called it Avocado, meaning testicle tree, not just for its appearance but also for its association with fertility and vitality. Fast forward to today, avocados have become a nutritional all-star. Unlike most fruits, which are high in natural sugars, avocados are rich in healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats. These fats help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while raising good cholesterol, HDL, which supports heart health and reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. But the benefits of avocados go beyond heart health. They're packed with essential nutrients, including potassium, more than a banana, helping to regulate blood pressure. Fiber, supporting digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. Antioxidants, like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes and skin from damage. Vitamins, such as C, E, K, and B6, which support immunity, skin health, and energy levels. Avocados are also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them in savory dishes like salads, sandwiches, or sushi, or experiment with them in desserts like chocolate avocado mousse. One of the most surprising findings about avocados is their role in weight management. While their calorie density might seem alarming, studies show that people who include avocados in their diet tend to have lower body weight and healthier overall eating patterns. How does this work? Avocados are incredibly satiating, thanks to their high fat and fiber content. Eating an avocado can keep you full for hours, reducing cravings and the likelihood of snacking on processed or sugary foods. Additionally, the fats in avocados improve the absorption of other nutrients. For example, pairing avocado with a salad boosts the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, as well as antioxidants like beta-carotene. This means avocados aren't just a healthy food, they make the rest of your diet healthier too. Avocados are more than just a trendy ingredient, they're a nutritional powerhouse with benefits that range from heart health to weight management. They're packed with healthy fats, vitamins and minerals that support every aspect of your well-being, from your skin to your digestion. Despite their high calorie count, they're one of the most balanced and nutrient-dense foods you can eat, and they play a vital role in a sustainable, healthy diet. What do you think about avocados? Are they a part of your regular diet? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to share your favorite avocado recipes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into healthy living. Check out our other videos on superfoods and practical tips for eating better every day.